What if the internet became faster than human reflexes? What if billions of devices could communicate instantly, cars could drive themselves safely, and holographic communication became normal? Welcome to the world of 5G, the wireless revolution reshaping global connectivity. 5G is far more than just a faster version of 4G. It represents an entirely new network architecture designed for ultra-fast speeds, near-zero latency, massive device connectivity, and intelligent distributed computing. Unlike previous generations focused mainly on smartphones, 5G is designed to connect everything: humans, machines, vehicles, factories, cities, and AI systems simultaneously. It is becoming the digital infrastructure of the future. Next, the evolution from 1G to 5G. Mobile communication evolved through several major technological generations. 1G introduced analog voice calls during the 1980s, while 2G digitized communication and enabled SMS messaging. 3G brought mobile internet and video calls, and 4G LTE enabled HD streaming, social media, and the app economy. Now 5G pushes wireless communication into an entirely new era of speed, intelligence, and machine connectivity. Next, what makes 5G different? The leap from 4G to 5G is not just incremental, it is transformational. 5G can theoretically achieve peak download speeds approaching 20 gigabits per second, nearly 100 times faster than many 4G systems. Latency can drop below 1 millisecond, enabling near real-time responsiveness. At the same time, 5G networks can support up to 1 million connected devices per square kilometer. Next, the three pillars of 5G. 5G networks are built around three major capability pillars. Enhanced Mobile Broadband, or EMBB, focuses on ultra-fast consumer internet and immersive media experiences. Ultra-reliable low-latency communication, or URLLC, supports mission-critical systems like robotics and autonomous vehicles. Massive Machine-Type Communication, or MMTC, enables enormous IoT ecosystems with billions of connected devices. Next, basics of wireless communication. All wireless communication works by transmitting information using electromagnetic waves. Data is encoded by modulating wave properties such as amplitude, frequency, and phase. Higher frequencies can carry more data but travel shorter distances, while lower frequencies cover larger areas with lower bandwidth. 5G uniquely combines multiple frequency ranges to balance both coverage and speed. Next, understanding the radio spectrum. The radio spectrum is one of the world's most valuable and limited resources. Governments regulate and auction portions of the spectrum to telecom operators for wireless communication. Different frequency ranges behave very differently physically. 5G is the first wireless generation designed to operate simultaneously across low-band, mid-band, and millimeter wave frequencies. Next, low-band 5G explained. Low-band 5G operates below 1 GHz frequencies. These signals travel long distances and penetrate buildings effectively, making them ideal for rural coverage and indoor connectivity. However, low-band frequencies provide only moderate speed improvements compared to 4G LTE. Their main advantage is broad, reliable coverage. Next, mid-band 5G, the sweet spot. Mid-band frequencies between 1 and 6 GHz are considered the sweet spot of 5G deployment. They provide a balanced combination of speed, coverage, and capacity suitable for most urban and suburban environments. Most commercial 5G networks worldwide currently rely heavily on mid-band infrastructure. This range delivers significantly faster speeds without sacrificing too much coverage. Next, millimeter wave technology. Millimeter wave, or MeMi-wave, represents the highest frequency portion of 5G deployment. Operating between roughly 24 and 100 GHz, MeMi-wave enables multi-gigabit wireless speeds capable of rivaling fiber optic connections. However, these high-frequency signals struggle with obstacles, rain, and long distances. As a result, MeMi-wave works best in dense urban areas, stadiums, airports, and indoor environments. Overall 5G network architecture. A 5G network is built as a layered distributed system. User devices communicate with nearby radio towers through the Radio Access Network, or RAN. Traffic then travels through transport networks into the 5G core, where authentication, routing, and intelligent network management occur. Each layer is optimized separately for flexibility, scalability, and ultra-low latency. Next, Radio Access Network versus core network. The 5G architecture is divided into two major sections. The radio access network handles wireless communication between user devices and base stations. The core network acts as the brain of the system, authenticating users, routing traffic, managing sessions, and connecting services to the wider internet. Unlike older generations, the 5G core is fully cloud native and software defined. Next, 5G cell towers explained. Traditional macro cell towers remain important in 5G networks. However, 5G towers are upgraded with new radio technology supporting wider bandwidth, advanced antenna systems, and intelligent beam management. Unlike older 4G systems broadcasting signals broadly in all directions, 5G towers can focus energy dynamically toward active users. This dramatically improves efficiency and throughput. Next, small cells and dense networks. One of the biggest differences in 5G deployment is network densification. Small cells are compact, low-power base stations installed on lampposts, buildings, and street infrastructure throughout cities. Because high-frequency 5G signals travel shorter distances, operators deploy thousands of these small cells to maintain continuous coverage. Dense infrastructure is essential for achieving ultra-fast urban 5G performance. Next, massive MIMO technology. Massive MIMO is one of the most important breakthroughs in 5G engineering. MIMO stands for multiple input, multiple output, where large arrays of antennas transmit and receive multiple data streams simultaneously. While 4G towers may use only a few antennas, 5G systems can use 64, 128, or even 256 antenna elements. This massively increases network capacity and allows many users to share the same spectrum efficiently. Next, beamforming explained. Beamforming allows 5G towers to focus wireless energy precisely toward individual users. Instead of broadcasting uniformly in every direction, coordinated antenna arrays shape radio signals into targeted beams dynamically. As users move, the beams track them continuously in real time. This improves signal strength, reduces interference, and increases spectral efficiency dramatically. Next, analog, digital, and hybrid beamforming. There are multiple approaches to beamforming implementation. Analog beamforming controls a single beam through hardware-based phase shifting. Digital beamforming provides much greater flexibility by generating multiple independent beams through software control. Hybrid beamforming combines both approaches for practical large-scale ME-wave deployment. Next, network slicing technology. One of the most revolutionary features of 5G is network slicing. A single physical 5G infrastructure can be divided into multiple isolated virtual networks optimized for different applications. For example, autonomous vehicles may receive ultra-low latency slices, while streaming services prioritize bandwidth-heavy traffic. This allows one shared network to behave like multiple specialized networks simultaneously. Next, edge computing in 5G. Edge computing is critical for ultra-low latency applications. Instead of sending all data to distant centralized cloud servers, edge computing processes information close to the user at nearby edge nodes. This dramatically reduces round-trip communication time. Applications like robotics, AR, autonomous driving, and industrial automation depend heavily on edge computing architecture. Next, understanding latency. Latency measures how long it takes for data to travel from device to server and back again. Human reaction time averages around 250 milliseconds, while 5G aims for response times under 1 millisecond in ideal conditions. This means machines connected through 5G can react faster than humans themselves. Low, late latency is one of the most transformative aspects of 5G technology. Next, how data travels through a 5G network. Every time you stream a video or load a web page over 5G, multiple coordinated processes occur simultaneously. Your device encodes the data request and transmits it wirelessly to the base station. The request then travels through fiber optic transport networks into the core infrastructure before content is returned back to the device. All of this happens within milliseconds. Next, fiber optics, the hidden backbone. Despite being wireless, 5G depends heavily on fiber optic infrastructure. Every base station and small cell must connect back to the core network through high-capacity fiber links. Fiber transmits data as pulses of light at extremely high speeds with very low latency. Without dense fiber deployment, 5G performance would collapse. Next, advanced 5G antenna systems. Modern 5G base stations use highly integrated antenna systems. Active antenna units combine radio electronics and antenna arrays into compact intelligent modules. Remote radio heads separate signal processing from tower-top deployment for flexible architectures. Emerging technologies like reconfigurable intelligent surfaces may even redirect signals passively around obstacles. Next, how devices connect to 5G. Every 5G connection begins with a carefully orchestrated handshake process. The device scans for available cells, selects the optimal tower, and requests network access through the random access channel procedure. Authentication systems verify subscriber identity securely before radio resources are allocated. Only then does actual user data begin flowing. Next, SIM authentication and security. 5G introduces major security improvements compared to earlier wireless generations. The new 5G AKA authentication system encrypts subscriber identity information before transmission. Both the network and the device authenticate each other mutually, reducing impersonation attacks. This architecture significantly improves protection against fake cell tower surveillance devices. Next, IoT connectivity with 5G. One of the biggest promises of 5G is massive IoT connectivity. 5G networks can support up to 1 million connected devices per square kilometer simultaneously. This enables smart cities, industrial sensors, intelligent agriculture, utility monitoring, and connected infrastructure at enormous scale. The Internet of Things becomes truly practical only with networks designed for massive device density. 5G in smart cities and Industry 4.0. 5G is becoming foundational infrastructure for smart cities and Industry 4.0 manufacturing. Connected traffic systems, intelligent streetlights, pollution monitoring, and emergency response networks all benefit from real-time connectivity. Factories use private 5G networks to connect autonomous robots, AI systems, and digital twins reliably. Entire industries are beginning to reorganize around high-speed wireless infrastructure. Next, autonomous vehicles and 5G. Self-driving vehicles generate enormous amounts of data continuously. 5G enables vehicle-to-everything communication, where cars exchange information with nearby vehicles, traffic infrastructure, and cloud services in real time. This improves safety, navigation, and traffic coordination dramatically. Autonomous transportation systems depend heavily on ultra-low latency wireless communication. Next, AR, VR, and remote applications. 5G makes entirely new application categories physically possible. Untethered VR headsets can stream high-resolution immersive environments with minimal lag. Remote robotic surgery becomes feasible through ultra-reliable low-latency communication. Cloud gaming and industrial augmented reality systems also depend on fast, responsive networks. Next, challenges in 5G deployment. Deploying 5G globally is an enormous engineering and economic challenge. Operators must install vast numbers of small cells, expand fiber infrastructure, and upgrade core networks simultaneously. Urban permitting, power availability, and infrastructure costs create major deployment bottlenecks. Global 5G investment is expected to exceed hundreds of billions of dollars. Next, health myths versus scientific facts. 5G technology has also generated widespread misinformation and conspiracy theories. Scientifically, 5G uses non-ionizing radio waves incapable of damaging DNA or transmitting viruses. Organizations like the WHO and FDA confirm that properly regulated 5G systems remain within established safety limits. All commercial equipment undergoes strict RF exposure testing before deployment. Next, the future. 6G technology. Even as 5G deployment continues, research on 6G has already begun globally. 6G may eventually use terahertz frequencies, delivering speeds approaching 1 terabit per second. Researchers are exploring AI-native architectures, holographic communication, and space-terrestrial integrated networks. Commercial 6G deployment may begin around 2030. Next, global competition for 5G leadership. 5G has become more than a technology race. It is now a geopolitical and economic competition. Countries leading in 5G infrastructure may gain enormous advantages in AI, manufacturing, robotics, defense, and digital economies. Entity, country. China, world's largest 5G network, while entity, country, so South Korea S and the entity country, United States E, and Open RAN innovation. Global connectivity leadership is becoming strategically important. Next, the future of ultra-fast connectivity. 5G is not simply a faster internet connection. It is becoming the foundational infrastructure for future autonomous systems, AI ecosystems, smart cities, robotics, cloud computing, and immersive digital experiences. Billions of connected machines may eventually form a planetary scale intelligent network, and 5G is only the beginning. Final takeaway: 5G combines advanced radio engineering, fiber optic infrastructure, cloud native networking, AI optimization, and distributed computing into one extraordinary communication system. It transforms wireless networks from simple mobile communication platforms into intelligent digital infrastructure supporting entire economies. The technologies enabled by 5G may reshape transportation, manufacturing, healthcare, entertainment, and human connectivity itself. And the era of ultra-fast intelligent communication has already begun. If you enjoyed this visual breakdown of 5G network architecture, like this video, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic science and engineering explained visually in 3D. Comment 5G if you think ultra-fast wireless connectivity will transform the future. See you in the next video.